If you're a YouTuber and you'll be paying from different AI tool like ChatGPT $20 per month, and you're actually paying for this AI tool which is called Happy Scribe for $17 per month for you to be able to transcribe a video, you have to watch this video because I'm going to show you a tool that can be able to use any AI tool in just one single dashboard. And I'm just going to be paying a fraction of amount you're actually paying monthly. So the tool I'm actually talking about, which we are going to review in this video, is called Clipvane.com. I'm going to drop the link inside the video description if you want to try them out. As you can see, this tool we actually help, instead of using 7 or 8 tools to be able to create a YouTube video, check the websites. They have a lot of tools like video to text, they have a script generator, they have AI thumbnail generator, they have YouTube chapter generator, they have dubbing generator, title translator, a Pinterest pin generator, banner generator, AI voiceover generator, they have background noise remover. And if you want to use Nano Banana 2, it is actually available on this website. So now I'm going to walk you through some of the tools that I've tried on this platform and actually got a better result. So for you to get started, you have to actually register on this platform. So I'm already registered, so I'm going to go over to my dashboard and show you that. So I actually subscribe to the creator plan to be able to get a credit, because before you can use the paid version, you are supposed to subscribe to their plan. So now let's assume that we are a complete beginner and we want to write a YouTube script. All we have to do is to actually locate script generator over here. One good thing about this platform is that you can use this tool if you have a YouTube video that you want to model. All you have to do is to paste the YouTube video over here. Step 2 is to use the structure. Maybe you want hook format, hook framework, you want a viral script formula, you want storytelling framework, or you want loop structure. So there are a lot of structure over here that you can use. And the next thing is to actually give the tool, like a YouTube script generator, some videos of yourself, so that actually give you the tone of how you actually talk inside the video. So this is one of the features this tool have. And the other tool you can use inside this Clipvane.com is actually this thumbnail generator. So all you have to do is to actually paste your prompt over here for you to generate a YouTube thumbnail. So if you're actually looking towards a faceless YouTube thumbnail, you are going to click it over here, you are going to choose it over here, which is faceless. Probably if you actually recording your video and you want your face to show up, you are going to choose face forwarding. So it's going to understand that the video you are making is majorly a personal video that you are showing your face. So, and there are a lot of niches. So we have true crime story, history and documentary, different niche over here that you can make a YouTube thumbnail for. One good thing about this too is the fact that you can actually add a reference thumbnail. Maybe you like a thumbnail that you want to actually replicate. All you have to do is to upload the thumbnail over here, then tell the AI that okay, you can use this first image I upload as a reference for you to actually generate your YouTube thumbnail. And one good thing about this website is the fact that you can use several AI tools. Like you can use Nano Banana Flash 3.1, you can use Google Flash 2.0, and you can use ChatGPT 1.5, you can use ChatGPT Image 2.0. So it depends on the model you actually want to use. So instead of you subscribing for these two separately, you just have to choose the one you love to use inside this one single dashboard. And you can choose your aspect ratio, different aspect ratio of the YouTube thumbnail, but we are choosing 16:9 because that is the default aspect ratio. And you can choose the quality. If you want higher quality, you can choose 1K, you can choose 2K, likewise 4K resolution. So one of the feature that just been added to this tool is the fact that you can toggle this speaker and actually tell, okay, I want a YouTube thumbnail of a gaming channel. So if you should close it, AI is going to work underground and actually enhance your prompt to be able to give you a better prompt you can actually use on a go. So as you can see, it has enhancing your prompt. That's one of the, see, it has created a prompt for us. So create a YouTube thumbnail for a gaming channel featuring a gamer with intense and focused expression. This is the prompt it has created for us by just talking to the AI. So with this, we can be able to generate a YouTube script. So in the consequent video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use this individual tool. So another one is the AI banner. So you can create a banner, not just ordinary banner, the banner that has been trained over the time that is going to look like a professional graphic designer created the banner. So, and they have a lot of formats and a lot of aspect ratio. If you want to create for LinkedIn, for Facebook, for website, for Twitter, for blog header, and for email header. So this, you can actually get it inside one single dashboard. And another thing that is very important whenever you are actually uploading your video is to add a YouTube charter, because adding a YouTube charter that will actually allow you to rank well on Google and also YouTube search engine. So this AI tool actually have it. So all you have to do is to paste your YouTube video, and this Clipvane.com will automatically generate a YouTube charter for you that you can paste back to your YouTube video. So as you can see, another tool that is available on this platform is this called AI dubbing. So this AI dubbing, all you have to do is to upload your video, transcribe your video, then you can change your video. If your video is in English language, you can change that particular video to another language entirely. You can change it to entire language without you doing much work. All you have to do is to upload the video over here, then you can be able to transcribe it to another language. And another feature that's available on this platform is the translator. So if you observe that you actually want to get more view from other country, maybe you reside in UK and you are targeting larger audience, maybe you are targeting Germany, you are targeting Russia, and you actually want to make sure you get those countries to watch your video, all you have to do is to copy your YouTube video. So let's do, for example, so let me go over to YouTube. So that is the video we copy. Then we are going to paste it over here. Then we are going to click on extract. So this AI tool will definitely extract the title. It's also going to extract the description of the video. So with that, we actually got all of the information we need. So the next thing is to actually choose the country we are targeting. Maybe we actually record our video in English, but we have the video transcribed to another language entirely. So let's assume that we are transcribing the video to German. So all we have to do is to choose German. Then we are going to actually generate the transcript. And this AI tool will definitely transcribe the title and the description of the video to German. Okay, as you can see, so we have the title in German. So as you can see, this is the description. It's been written in German language, and likewise the title, hyperframe and remotion, because they are brand names, so that is why it did not rename it to German. But if it is normal English language, it's going to rename it to German language. So another feature that this all-in-one AI to have is this video to text. So all you have to do is to click on it, then you are going to upload any video you want to transcribe to get the text version. So I'm going to upload a video over here, and you are going to choose the language you want to transcribe it to, and you are going to get the text format for it. So normally, if you want to get this feature, you are supposed to use all this AI tool, which is called Happy Scribe, and you are going to be paying for them individually. But with Clipvane, you are actually paying just $9 for you to access all this AI tool in just one single dashboard. So another tool that is very important is this Nano Banana tool. If you want to generate an image using Google Nano Banana, so all you have to do is to enter your prompt, or you use the voice command over here for you to generate a prompt. And likewise, if you actually need to generate a Pinterest pin for your Pinterest, for you to actually get visibility on Pinterest, all you have to do is to use this AI tool. Likewise, you paste your prompt, then you actually choose the model you actually want to use, maybe Nano Banana or ChatGPT 2.0, so it depends. So, and you are going to choose the template. If you are creating a template for affiliate pin, quote, list, coupon, or any kind of pin you are actually creating for. So next, we make sure that I actually made a separate tutorial for each of these AI tools. And also, if you want to generate a voiceover, this AI tool will definitely help you to do that. So what you have to do is to come to the voiceover, and this voiceover are directly from 11 Lab. So instead of you paying 11 Lab monthly fee, so all you have to do is to use this tool. You can generate a YouTube script, you can generate a YouTube thumbnail, so you can actually do everything related to YouTube on this AI tool. So all you have to do is to choose several AI voices. Let's assume that you want to use this version, which are very premium version. You choose it, then you pick your language. Let's choose United States. As you can see, these are all the voiceover. So let's play this one to show you.
I must not fear. Fear is the mind killer.
Killing spree. Rampage.
So these are all the voices in this platform. So all you have to do is just to paste your script over here, then generate a voice. It's very, very simple. And the last one that I really want to show you is the fact that if you have recorded your headshot video and there are a lot of background noise, so instead of you paying for individual background noise, all you have to do is to actually upload your video over here, and this our AI tool will definitely remove the background noise without you needing to pay for extra AI tools. So in the consequent video, I will try much as possible to make sure that we make a separate tutorial video for each AI tool for you to understand exactly how you can use it. I hope you actually enjoy this Clipvane review. If you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and also ensure you actually wait for the individual review for this AI tool. Even if you are not subscribed member, there are a lot of other AI tools which are image to prompt. So all you have to do is to upload your image over here. So with this upload, you can be able to get the exact prompt of the image so that I can be able to recreate that such image. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.